On today's Ask the Detective, we're going to be talking about what is the FOB test. FOB stands for Fecal Occult Blood, which means hidden blood in your poo-poo. This is a sign that there is bleeding in your digestive tract, which may be from the presence of polyps, ulcers, or even the big C, cancer. So this is why it's important to screen your colon early, because colon cancer is preventable, treatable, and beatable. Other than colonoscopy, you can perform an FOB test where it detects blood in your stool that is not visible by your naked eye. This is a cue for you to actually check with your closest physician to investigate further. There's two types of FOB tests. There is the FOB home test and there is the FOB lab test. What's the difference? The FOB lab test requires you to go to the lab to collect the kit, to collect your stool sample, and then go back to the lab for analysis. That's a bit difficult. On the other hand, the FOB home test kit requires you to purchase a kit from the pharmacy and allows you to do the test at home. It doesn't matter which you prefer to choose, as long as you get screened early. And this is purely because colorectal cancer is preventable, treatable, and beatable. Yeah.